Good morning, class 5th. In our previous class, we have completed our chapter 4, computer software. In this, we studied about what are the hardware, what are the software and their types. In how many types we have classified our system. First one is system and software, and another one is application software. We study about what is system software and what is application software. Now let's come to the last page of this chapter, page number this 20 given into your books. You have to complete the exercise. First of all, in your book, match the following is given. Match multimedia software to which one? Multimedia software, I told you. So few examples are given in your multimedia software, and one is there, Windows Media Player. So match multimedia software to Windows Media Player. After that, operating software. So in the front page, first page of this book, operating system, which is given Windows. So we will match our operating software to Windows. Which is operating software? Windows. Next one is utility software. I told you utility software are for the maintenance of the system, just like it works for scan for viruses, compress the file and all. So it scan for virus, so it is an antivirus software. So match it. After that we have word processor. What is word processor? MS Word. See, it is given to you. Word processing software, Microsoft Word. So our Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Now take the correct answer. Dash is that part of computer which we can physically see or touch. Which is that? Our hardware. We can see and we can touch it as well. That is hardware. But we cannot touch our software. We can see it only. So take the hardware here. Next one is system software. Is also known as operating system. So take the operating system. Next one is a utility software helps the user to maintain the system poorly, efficiently or flexibly. Efficiently. See, this is given in your book. Efficient. Okay. System efficiently. So take here efficiently. Next one is dash software helps you to display information in the form of a slideshow. I gave you an example of Microsoft presentation. I have prepared your presentations of earlier chapter we study in Microsoft PowerPoint. So your answer will be Microsoft PowerPoint. Next one is Photoshop and Dash are example of graphic software. Let's see. In graphic software, what examples are given to us? Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Paint. CorelDRAW. So our answer is CorelDRAW. Now let's move to another section. C. Answer the following questions. In this, what do you mean by hardware? So our first answer given here is all computer parts that you can physically see or touch are called hardware. This is the definition of hardware, to which we can see as well as we can touch it. We call it hardware. Next one is differentiate system software and application software. So I have created a difference for you. First of all, you have to make a table. You have to write system software on one side and application software on another side, and you have to make a table like this. The very first point in system software is system software are needed to run application software, and on the another side, application software are not needed to run system software. Okay. Next one, run in the background and act as a platform. System software act as a platform, whereas application software is in foreground and interact with the user. Which software interact with the user? Application. Why? We use a lot of applications which are in our phone, like MS Word. We have it in our system also, and today in our phones also. We use multimedia software, so we interact with that. We do not direct interact with system software. Okay. And what are the examples? Language processor, operating system are example of system software, and video players, text editor and browsers are example of application software. Okay. Next one is, what is the function of utility software? For utility software, I told you it is a kind of antivirus software. Utility software performs maintenance tasks for efficient working of computers. Some example are scan for viruses, manage memory, provide calculator or calendar. Okay. I will share this PDF with you. And in next one, we are going to write short notes on the following. First one is system software. So what is system software? System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. For example, Windows, Mac OS X, Unix. You can see all these kind of examples on your page number 17 in system software. We also called it operating system. Whatever is visible on our screen, this kind of sign, Microsoft Windows, that is operating system. Okay. Next one is spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software. What is spreadsheet software? Spreadsheet software is a software application capable of organizing, storing and analyzing data in tabular form. Yesterday I show you a table like software in which you can see a lot of columns and rows. There were a lot of rows and columns. So what is that? That is spreadsheet software. We can write our data into rows and columns with the help of this software. We can perform calculations in it, or you can see that sometimes your teachers take out your result and they calculate your percentages, your marks, your grades in spreadsheet software. And there is a lot of tasks related to business purpose or a firm work related. They all done with the help of spreadsheet software. And the example of spreadsheet software is MS Excel. Okay. Next one is database software. What is database software? So a database software enables you to store, manipulate and view large quantity of data. For example, a company has a collection of records of every employee. So where do they store that? They store that in a database. And which kind of software is that? Database software. We will call it database software, and example is Microsoft Access or Oracle. Software. Communication software help you to exchange file and real-time messages in text, audio or video formats among different computers. This includes file transfer program, chat and instant messaging program like Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk. It is also given in your answer. Software help you to exchange files and real-time messages in text form, audio or video format. And examples are file transfer programs or Yahoo Messenger. Okay. So our chapter is completed with its exercise. Match the following, take the correct answer, answer the following questions, write short notes on. So you should know what is software, hardware, types of software and which kind of software is used to perform which specific task. I can ask any kind of question to you. And also be prepared for your test. You know that all the teachers are taking your test, and you know your computer test date, it is on weekends only. So be prepared for that. One day before test I will remind you. So learn all the things and revise your chapters.